I'm definitely like my own worst enemy, like 100%. Like I battle through like guiding, like if I'm good enough or if I, does that kind of make sense? Really like that anxiety and stuff like that. I just like battle like to be a guide and get over that and have a bit of confidence. Like it's tough for me, right? I had a panic attack like 6 years ago. First one I ever had. So I got counseling and stuff for it and all that. I go to a counselor. That anxiety through the roof. You know what I mean? Yeah, it was tough growing up without a dad. But I had a great mom and stuff like that. You know what I mean?
When I was about 5 years old, my mom left my dad and we moved in with my aunt and 2 cousins up in Prince George, British Columbia, and that's where I was raised. I got into guiding because I was always trying to be on the river. I was always asking friends, like, let's be on the river. And then I had one friend just tell me when he's like, why don't you guide? Like, why don't you do this? Like for me, I didn't know where to even begin. There's a lot more people that would rather see you fail, I find, than succeed. And I didn't get into it for the money. I didn't get into being a guide for money. Like that was never gonna be the option.
Did I put the plugs in? I think so.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm taking one of my guys.
Ready, Dougie?
To me, the bow has like a special smell. This might be a little bit strange. The scenery down there is second to none. Like it's something you can't beat. Our fish are powerful. Our fish are strong. A lot of people, you can get a lot of people from around the world who come and fish this river. Really, really underestimate our fish.
Yeah, there he is. That's good fish right there, man. Whoa. You didn't let him run. You got your dropper?
Well, our Bow River rainbows, they have a steelhead gene in them. So more than likely, they're coming out of the water. When a client or a guest gets that big fish and we land it as a team, it's a big victory for not only just me as a guide, but for the entire boat.
Yeah, buddy. Nice fish. Holy cow, dude. Hold on to that guy.
Yeah, I'd rather have you catch that fish more than me catch that fish. Yeah, I'm more proud of getting people into fish than hook and fish myself. I think that's maybe why I don't know if I'm a good guide. Maybe maybe that's it. I don't know.
I've had a couple friends that have committed suicide, and it's tough to hear about. And as men, we just, especially if you were raised in, you're in your mid-30s, or you're never taught to talk about those things. So if we can start talking about it more, I think that'd be better.
If it hadn't been for guys like Scotty and Kev, I wouldn't be doing it. You want to have people in your life who bring you up.
There we go.
I've curdled laughing. Like, that's where it becomes not really about the fishing, but it's more or less like.
Levy, so what do? We use these sticks, right?
How's the novel going?
Put your vice away.
You want friends who are just going to be there. To have friends like that, it's all you need.
Never met a match I couldn't handle.
If you're depressed or you're anxious or you got something going on, like, you got to find your happy place and find people or who enjoy that with you. That's what you need in life.
Oh yeah, Brown!
Oh, big rainbow.
Holy shit! He's in the boat! I netted him.
Like, to have supportive people around me, like my mom, my wife, it's good to have it. It happens almost every season. I always second guess myself. I'm always like, do I really like, and I'll tell her, like, do you really want me to keep doing this? She's like, absolutely, I want you to keep doing this. So she's the one who drives me, and so are my kids. Because she said, if you didn't do this, like, imagine how miserable you'd be. I feel like for guiding for me, like, I was put on this earth to guide. You're gonna have people who are gonna tell you you can't do this. You're gonna have people who are gonna work against you. And I think that's just life. People will be like, you can't do that, And the best thing you can do about that is prove them wrong.
Yeah, barely. Holy shit! Did you see that eat?